Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to make, I think it's called a piston door in Minecraft. The first thing, what you will need is birch planks, white concrete, stone pressure plate, a grass block in case you make a hole in the ground, a sticky piston, not a regular piston, a sticky piston, redstone torch, and a redstone dust. First, you're going to dig down 3 times and do this. Oh no. See what I mean? So like this. Dig down 2 times each. Then when you're done with that, gonna do this. 3. Then dig down 2 and leave that. Leave that. Now you're gonna take your redstone dust and put it everywhere except that place. So like this. Now you're gonna take your redstone torch and put it on these 2 sides. If you think it should have said be lightened up, it's not supposed to be, which is fine. Now the birch planks, you could do anything, but it just looks cooler. Put on top of the redstone torch, then just cover everything up. Okay. Like that. Then you're going to take your sticky piston, like this, so it will be activated already. Take and do it again, but on the stone part right over, like on the stone part right there, yeah. Then, I want to get on top, okay. Take your redstone dust and put it right here, so this will be activated. This is like the door. Now you could take any block, just like the birch planks, but I recommend white concrete because obsidian and glass doesn't work with. Build two, yeah. And one last step and it's done. Pressure plates. It's done. That's it. But here's what another thing to add. So, like, just like covering it up so no one will see what we've done. So, this is really easy. No, I don't want to see this. Oh, okay. Cover it up. Okay, now there it is. This one is the old one without the cover, this one is like the house. You can make a house if you want. Now you're not jumping. And that's pretty cool with the blackness going. And it would be a good house door, but that's it. Bye.